So let's see if I will survive this. Um, and please, this is madness. For me, this is just total madness. This is just being crazy. But yeah, I'm nogal nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. But let's see what's inside here. Oh, freaking hell. Okay, what is this? Rest in peace. Can you handle this deadly chip? There you can see. You can listen, listen. Huh? Okay. Any last words? Any last words? Yes, I actually do have some last words. Reaper is waiting. Any last words? Reaper is waiting.